Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss what is stock market. The stock market is a financial marketplace where individuals and institutions can buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. These shares represent ownership in a company and are often referred to as stocks or equities. The stock market plays a crucial role in the global economy and is a primary means for companies to raise capital to fund their operations and growth. Key points about the stock market. 1. Stock exchanges. Stocks are bought and sold on stock exchanges, which are regulated platforms where buyers and sellers interact. Some well-known stock exchanges include the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the Nasdaq in the United States, as well as international exchanges like the London Stock Exchange and the Tokyo Stock Exchange. 2. Stocks and shares. Investors purchase shares in a company, entitling them to a portion of the company's ownership and potential profits. Companies issue shares to the public through an initial public offering, IPO, or follow-on offerings. 3. Stock prices. Stock prices are determined by the supply and demand for a particular company's shares. Various factors, including a company's financial performance, economic conditions, and investor sentiment, can influence stock prices. Prices can fluctuate rapidly, leading to potential gains or losses for investors. 4. Market indexes. Market indexes, such as the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average, track the performance of a group of stocks and provide a snapshot of the overall market's health. Investors often use these indexes as benchmarks to assess their own investment portfolios. 5. Investor types. Investors in the stock market can be broadly categorized as retail investors, individuals, and institutional investors, organizations like mutual funds, pension funds, and hedge funds. Retail investors can participate through online brokerage accounts. 6. Risks and rewards. The stock market offers the potential for capital appreciation and income through dividends, but it also carries risks. Prices can be volatile, and investors can lose money if stock prices decline. Diversification and long-term investment strategies are common ways to manage risk. 7. Market regulation. Stock markets are subject to government regulations to ensure fair and transparent trading. Regulatory bodies, such as the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in the United States, oversee market activities. 8. Trading hours. Stock markets typically have set trading hours and are closed on weekends and holidays. However, global financial markets operate 24/7 through electronic trading platforms. In summary, the stock market is a dynamic financial system that allows individuals and institutions to invest in and trade shares of publicly traded companies. It serves as a mechanism for companies to raise capital and offers opportunities for investors to potentially grow their wealth. However, investing in the stock market carries both opportunities and risks, and understanding its dynamics is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.